master's thesis is a disturbance study. I'm looking at both the anthropogenic disturbance from the creation of roads and the use of roads, and also firefighting operations, as well as natural disturbance in the form of wildfire.
The first thing we did was a road survey. So we drove on all the roads in the Andrews, and Sarah and Nigel got both sides of the windows, and I used my phone on Survey 123 to track what fire operations they saw, if anything was burnt from previous fires.
After we've determined which location fits a specific criteria, we'll wake up early, we'll jump in the truck, we'll drive down a dirt road and get to our location.
The reason why this location was chosen is because of the high operational activities that happened here. That has some implications as to what vegetation we find here.
So when we want to survey an area, the first thing that we do is we take out a transect tape, then we'll take cones and put it every 10 meters.
After we're done getting estimates on canopy cover, the rest of the day is spent looking at plants.
We have a pole with an indicating piece on the end, and in the box that is made between the cones and the poles, we survey for all of the species that are present, the abundance of the species, like relatively how many of them there are. And then we also survey for the ground cover that each community structure type occupies. So like forbs, saplings, grasses, bare ground. We collect it every 10 meters, and it's 2 meters wide, so 20 square meter resolution. And as we're going, one of our team members is inputting it into Survey 123.
It allows you to collect a GPS point. So then when we go back to the data to analyze it later, we have like a map of everywhere that we collected our data. It's kind of scary to get involved in research, but I definitely recommend it if you have the opportunity. And there are a lot of research opportunities at OSU.
One of the biggest components of the study is whether there was fire and the severity of the fire. What I have found the most striking is that in areas that did experience fire, especially low to moderate severity fire, we're finding more of these native and endemic plant species that hadn't been seen along the roadside for decades. Normally, these species are only found in these high alpine meadows. And now that these areas have experienced fire, suddenly they're appearing. It's just really cool. Go Leaves!